So hello नमस्कार to the all chemistry lovers, doctors and engineers of the near future. मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल में regarding to your chemistry. In previous video we have discussed about the a lot of topics as just chemical properties of haloalkane, as a specific nucleophilic substitution reaction, as a SN reaction. There are further we have discussed about the types of the SN reaction and with the mechanism, and we have discussed about a lot of part regarding to stereochemical aspects of the SN reaction. Now the time to discuss very important topic, that is your second part as the chemical properties of the haloalkane, that is your elimination reaction. This is the elimination reactions. वर्ड से क्लियर हो रहा है बेटा? व्हाट इज दैट? कि पर्टिकुलर समथिंग कुछ एलिमिनेट होगा, टर्मिनेट होगा, बाहर निकलेगा. सो व्हाट वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द रिवर्स reactions of just addition reactions. How? एडिशन रिएक्शन में पर्टिकुलर कोई अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ एटम के जोड़ने से सैचुरेटेड में चेंज होता है. यहां उल्टा होगा, सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन में से एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ एटम के हटने से पर्टिकुलर अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन का फॉर्मेशन होगा. सो मींस दोज रिएक्शंस in which saturated hydrocarbon or compound changes in unsaturated hydrocarbon or compound by the removal or you can say elimination of atom or group of atom. Those reactions are known as just your elimination reactions. It's a very important part. If we'll go with the elimination reactions, then there are alpha, beta and gamma elimination reactions as types of elimination reactions. मीन्स अल्फा, बीटा, गामा 3 टाइप होते हैं एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शंस के. बात करें एग्जाम्पल के रिगार्डिंग, तो अल्फा एलिमिनेशन के लिए हम एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. दिस इज द अटैक ऑफ OH माइनस. एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट, दिस इज द CHCl3 लाइक दिस. दिस इज द Cl, दिस इज द Cl क्लोरोफॉर्म. अल्फा कार्बन से एलिमिनेशन होगा, ये OH अटैक करेगा यहाँ H पर, तो ये विड्रॉ कर लेगा. इट चेंजेस इन प्लस, सो व्हाट विल बी, हियर विल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ H2O. पर्टिकुलर CCl3 होगा जो कि एक क्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉन कर लेगा. विड्रॉइंग करेगा तो इन दैट केस पर्टिकुलर आपके पास में Cl माइनस होगा, एंड रेस्ट इट विल बी CCl2 एज अ डाइक्लोरोकार्बीन. This is very important. डाइक्लोरोकार्बीन जो कि पर्टिकुलर आपके पास में आइसोसाइनाइड टेस्ट में भी एक मिडिल स्पीसीज के रूप में फॉर्मेशन होता है. सो दिस इज द अल्फा एलिमिनेशन reaction. Now I would like to go with the beta elimination reaction. This is the suppose alkyl halide CH3 CH2Br. This is alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. अटैक किया आपने पर्टिकुलर OH माइनस एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल. सो यहाँ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी पर्टिकुलर आपके पास में Br के लिए लार्जर है, तो इन दैट केस पर्टिकुलर यहां से विड्रॉ करेगा, तो इन दैट केस H प्लस OH माइनस के साथ रिएक्शन करके पर्टिकुलर H2O का रिमूवल कर देगा. रेस्ट इट विल बी रिमूवल ऑफ Br माइनस, और प्लस माइनस जब इसने विड्रॉ किया तो चार्ज नेगेटिव, इसने डोनेट किया तो यहाँ चार्ज पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल होकर के पर्टिकुलर एल्कीन का फॉर्मेशन कर देगा. यहाँ पर्टिकुलर हाइड्रोजन का एलिमिनेशन बीटा पोजीशन से हो रहा है, वहां अल्फा से हो रहा, तो सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अल्फा एलिमिनेशन reaction also. If we will go with the just further gamma, for the gamma we can take just your CH2, this is the CH2, this is the CH2, here is the Br, this is the Br, alpha, beta and gamma. If I will take just Zn in the presence of methanol CH3OH, here will removal of Zn Br2, and these pi sigma bond forms are one of the bond, and this compound changes in CH2 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 with the formation of Zn Br2. Here will formation of cyclopropane. Cyclopropane, this is the very important example as a gamma elimination reaction. This is the best example of gamma elimination reaction. Gamma elimination reaction. Now the time to discuss. These are not in your syllabus right now, along with the haloalkane and haloarine. These are not in your syllabus. Number 1 and number 2. Number 3. It is your number 2 in your syllabus. So if we'll go with the just example as elimination reaction, then we can take the example of beta elimination reaction. Regarding to beta elimination reaction, it is very important example that is called as dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation is the best example. We can say removal of hydrogen and halogen is called as just dehydrohalogenation. If we'll go with the dehydrohalogenation, then this is the very important part. This is the best example. Suppose this is the alkyl halide CH3 CH2Br. This is the alcoholic KOH alcoholic. It dissociates as follows. This is the minus, this is the minus, and this is the plus. This H plus reacts with the OH minus to give H2O. This K plus reacts with the Br minus to give KBr, and here will formation of the ethene. CH2 double bond CH2. Here's the ethene. Here is the removal of hydrogen from the just again beta position. That's why it is best example of the beta elimination reaction. We can take another example also. This is the CH3 CH2, you can say. This is the CH, this is the Br, and this is the CH3. Then on reaction with KOH alcoholic, here will CH3 CH double bond. This is the CH2 CH double bond CH2. This is your CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. with the removal of H2O and KBr, means here will formation of but 1 in one of the, and another will be but 2 in. So this is the but 1 in, but 1 in, and here will formation of the but 2 in as a product. So this was about the beta elimination and type of the elimination reaction. Now I would like to go further with the reaction. Then what is the important thing? Listen me carefully. Regarding to reaction second, there are formation of the two alkene. If we'll go with the just, we can say if there is more than one possibility possibility of possibility of formation of alkene of formation of alkene, then reaction will according to Ch.10 rule. Ch.10's rule. It was proposed by a scientist Ch.10. Ch.10, the name of scientist who proposed the Ch.10 rule. What is that Ch.10 rule? That alkene will as major product which exists more substituents. If we'll go with this alkene, then here is only, this is the double bond, here is only one substituent, and here is the two substituent, 2-methyl. So if I take the again this reaction, then this is the 2-bromobutane, this is the CS2 and CS3, this is your alcoholic KOH. Here is not aqueous. If we take aqueous, then it will be substitution reaction. So this is the minus, this is the plus, this is alpha, and this is the alpha dash. Both are alpha hydrogen. So probability is more than 1. So one of the alkene will be, if hydrogen eliminates from here, then it will formation of CS3 CS2 double bond CS2. If hydrogen eliminates from here regarding to beta elimination reaction, then it will formation of CS3 CS double bond CH-CS3. So here is, this is called as but 1 in, this is the but 1 in, this is the but 2 in. If we go with the but 1 in, then it exists only one substituent, and if we go with the just but 2 in, then it exists two substituents. That's why it will form 20%, and it will form as a major product 80%. So if there is more than one possibility of formation of the alkene, reaction will according to Seltzer's rule. What is that? That alkene will be as a major product which exists more substituents. So it will be 80%. If for the just but2ene, for the but2ene, there are two isomers, one of the cis, another the trans. So if you go with the just cis form, then it is as follows: CS3C double bond C, CS3 and H, and here's the transform. This is the C, this is the H, double bond C, this is your H, and this is the CS3. This is the cis form, and this is the transform. So it will be major product as a transform because it's more stable. It's more stable than the cis form. That's why transform will be as a major product. So we can say that it is major product during formation of the but2ene, major product. Now, if we'll go with the just stability, then there are three kinds of the just your alkyl halide: 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree. And if we'll go with the just 3 degree alkyl halide, then those forms stable alkene. So that's why the reactivity sequence will be as follows. This is the reactivity sequence regarding to elimination reaction. This is the, suppose I am going to take CS3 CS2 Br. This is the CS3 CHCS3 Br 2 degree, and this is the 3 degree alkyl halide CS3. This is the Br. So if we'll go with the just 1 degree alkyl halide, then here will formation of ethene by the elimination reaction. Here will formation of propene, and here will formation of just we can say 2-methyl propene. If we'll go with the just electron donor group, inductive effect here is more. So this is the more stable, this is the most stable, this is the less stable, and this is the least stable. So the reactivity for the 3 degree alkyl halide will be more because it forms 3 degree carbocation by the removal of halogen, which further changes in stable alkene. If I go with the different alkyl halide, then the reactivity sequence is for alkyl fluoride, alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, and alkyl iodide. Then the reactivity will be as follows. But remember one thing. What is that? If we'll go with the further, if there is 2-fluorobutane, if there is 2-fluorobutane, then this is the CS3, CS, this is the F, this is the CS2 and CS3. This is the again alcoholic KOH. Here will formation of just one of the but1ene, and another will be your but2ene. Again, this is the but2ene. So here will, by the removal of KBr and S2, here but2ene will be as a major product. Why? I'll explain. Major product, while but1ene will be as a minor product. Because of, if I'll go with the structure, then this is your CS2 and this is the H. This is the CS2 and H, and this is the CH3. You can take H also. Here, this is the CS2H also. If I go with this, then this is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. and this is the alpha dash and this is the beta dash. So listen me carefully. If I'll go with the just this one structure and this one structure, so we can take as follows also. इसको आप कुछ इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं CS3 अल्फा पोजीशन को आपने टर्मिनेट कर दिया। बीटा की बात करें तो यहां CS3 ग्रुप डोनेट करेगा तो उस पोजीशन में इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करने के कारण से प्लस आई इफेक्ट शो करने के कारण पर्टिकुलर इस अल्फा कार्बन की एसिडिटी आपके पास में लो होगी एज कंपेयर टू बीटा कार्बन। तो बीटा कार्बन का रिमूवल फास्ट होगा, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्यूट 1ene एज अ मेजर प्रोडक्ट, ब्यूट 1ene and ब्यूट 2ene will be as a minor product. Remember one thing, this is just depends on the acidity of alpha hydrogen and beta hydrogen. If I'll go with the further, then it is also called as Sadzev-Hoffman elimination also. Sadzev versus, this is also called as Sadzev versus Hoffman elimination reaction. So this was about the just entire part of the elimination reaction. We will meet in the next video with a just new reaction as a reaction with metals. Till then शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद। चैनल को यूं ही प्यार देते रहिए, यूं ही शेयर करते रहिए ताकि वो बच्चे भी हमारे पहुंच सकें जो अभी भी इससे दूर है। तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद।